If you've spent the last 2 years hand washing every dish because your kitchen's too small for a real dishwasher, you're not alone, and you don't have to keep doing it. There's a whole category built specifically for narrow spaces, 18 inches wide instead of the standard 24. Some of these are genuinely rough. Others come surprisingly close to full-size performance. I found and verified 5 real 18-inch dishwashers actually sold on Amazon right now, ranked worst to best, so you're not guessing with your money. Quick heads up before we start. I'm not going to give you exact prices, because Amazon pricing on appliances moves constantly. Check the live listing before you buy. What I will give you is real specs, pulled from the manufacturer or the actual retail listing, not memory and not guesswork. Number 5. The Black & Decker BPD 8B. This is the cheapest way into the 18-inch category, and it's a portable unit, meaning it's not plumbed into your cabinets. It rolls on casters and connects to your kitchen faucet with a quick connect hose, so there's zero installation. It holds 8 place settings and runs 6 wash programs: heavy, normal, rapid, glass, eco, and a 90-minute cycle. There's a stainless steel tub, an adjustable upper rack for taller items, a simple LED display, and a child lock. For a dorm, a small rental, or a first apartment where you can't modify plumbing, that's a legitimate use case. Here's where it falls short, though. Black & Decker doesn't publish an independent decibel rating for this unit anywhere I could verify, which on its own tells you something. The brands that are proud of how quiet their machines run tend to shout that number from the rooftops. This one doesn't. And because it's portable rather than built-in, you're rolling it out, hooking up a hose, running the cycle, then rolling it back and storing the hose every single time. That's a real daily chore, not a one-time inconvenience. The verdict here? It's a legitimate stopgap if you genuinely cannot install a built-in unit, but it's the most basic machine on this list, and you'll feel that every time you use it. Number 4. The Danby DDW 1805 EWP. Danby's portable pulls ahead here because of 2 specific numbers that are actually published by the manufacturer, not estimated. It runs at 52 decibels according to Danby's own spec sheet, and it uses as little as 3.5 gallons of water per wash cycle, which is genuinely low for this category. It holds 8 place settings, includes a stainless steel spray arm and interior, an adjustable upper rack, and automatic detergent and rinse agent dispensers, so you're not manually loading soap every time. The trade-off is cycle variety. You only get 4 wash cycles here: heavy, normal, 90-minute, and rapid, compared to 6 on most of the other portables on this list. If you frequently deal with baked-on food or specialty glassware, that narrower cycle menu could feel limiting. It's also worth noting, Danby sells this specific model in white only as far as I could verify. If you're set on stainless steel exterior styling, this particular SKU won't give you that. Verdict. For water-conscious apartment or cottage use, the low water draw and Danby's known reliability in the compact appliance space make this a sensible pick, even with fewer cycle options than its portable competitors. Number 3. The Frigidaire FFBD 1831 US. Frigidaire brings brand weight and consistency here. This is an ADA-compliant built-in model with dual spray arms for more even coverage across both racks, a heated dry option, and 8 place settings. According to Frigidaire's own listed specs, it consumes around 270 kilowatt-hours annually, which is a genuinely useful number if you're trying to estimate long-term running cost, and it operates at 52 decibels. One thing worth flagging directly. Frigidaire sells this same base model under a few different finish codes. You'll see FFBD 1831 US for stainless steel, and separate UB and UW codes for black and white. They're mechanically identical, but if you're clicking through Amazon listings, double-check you're landing on the finish and exact suffix you actually want, because the part numbers differ even though the dishwasher itself doesn't. The honest limitation compared to the pics ahead is simplicity. This is a straightforward, no-frills machine. No Wi-Fi, no smart sensors, no third rack. It just washes dishes reliably, which for a lot of households is genuinely all that's needed. Verdict. This is the just works. Pick a known, dependable brand name with real specs behind it, minus any of the smart home extras you'll see from here on out. Number 2. The Bosch 300 Series SPE 53B55 UC. This is where the category changes shape. Bosch fits a third rack into an 18-inch footprint, a dedicated top-level tray specifically for flatware and long utensils that, according to Bosch's own product materials, adds up to 30% more usable loading capacity. That third rack alone lets this compact model hold 10 place settings, more than every single dishwasher ranked below it. The adjustable Rack-matic middle rack shifts across 3 height levels for up to 9 total rack positions, so you can fit stemware one day and stock pots the next. It's Wi-Fi enabled through Bosch's Home Connect app, ADA compliant, and according to Bosch's published spec sheet, it runs at 46 decibels. The honest catch: this is a recessed handle model specifically. Bosch also sells a separate 800 series in a bar handle and pocket handle configuration that looks similar in photos, but is a different tier entirely. More on that distinction in the final pick. If you're hunting for this exact model on Amazon, make sure the listing says SPE53B55UC and not one of Bosch's other 18-inch SKUs, because the model numbers are easy to mix up at a glance. It's also worth being honest that 10 place settings in an 18-inch cabinet only works because of genuinely tight, deliberate rack engineering. Loading it efficiently takes a little more thought than a standard 24-inch dishwasher would. Verdict: this is the first dishwasher on this list that actually outcapacities some full-size units while staying compact. And 46 decibels backs that up with real quiet performance to match. Number 1. The Bosch 800 series SPX68U55UC. Bosch's flagship compact model takes everything the 300 series does and refines it further. Same 10-place setting capacity and same third rack with Rack-matic's 9 adjustable positions, but the noise rating drops to 44 decibels according to Bosch's own official specification sheet, making it quieter than every other model on this entire list. It adds AquaStop Plus, a sensor-based leak protection system Bosch states is designed to detect and contain leaks before they reach your kitchen floor. Plus InfoLight, a small beam that projects onto the floor while the dishwasher is running so you can actually tell it's on, since at this noise level you genuinely might not be able to hear it. It includes Home Connect Wi-Fi, 6 wash cycles, and an active tab tray specifically engineered to dissolve detergent tablets more evenly through a dedicated jet stream. The catch, and it's a real one: this is a premium compact appliance, and Bosch's pocket handle SPX68U55UC and bar handle SPX68B55UC variants are functionally identical machines with different door hardware. So if you're price comparing, don't assume they're separate tiers. They're the same internals in 2 different handle styles. Confirm which handle style your kitchen actually needs before ordering, because returns on built-in appliances are more of a hassle than returning a portable unit. Verdict: if you've got the room in your budget, this is simply the most capable 18-inch dishwasher currently verified on Amazon. More capacity, more quiet, and more leak protection than anything else on this list, built-in or portable. And that wraps up our list of the best 18-inch dishwashers. If you're looking for a compact dishwasher that saves space without sacrificing cleaning performance, any of these options could be a great choice. Check the links in the description for more details and current prices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful home appliance reviews.